Kawasaki is bringing back timeless classic charm with the 2026 Meguro K3 model, which will be officially released on November 1st, 2025. This motorcycle retains the elegant design and majestic lineage of its predecessor, but now appears more refined without major changes to its appearance or specifications. The name Meguro has a long history. Founded in 1924, Meguro Manufacturing was a pioneer of large motorcycles in Japan before eventually merging with Kawasaki Aircraft Co., Limited in the 1960s. This is where the legendary 500 Meguro K2 motorcycle, the predecessor of the Kawasaki W1, was born, and now the Meguro K3 is here as a modern successor that brings that classic spirit back to the roads of today. The 2026 Meguro K3 still features the Meguro S1 style tank design with a glossy ebony black finish. The chrome accents on the exhaust mirrors and headlight rim blend beautifully with the shiny black components, creating Meguro's signature calm yet authoritative contrast. The black wheels, classic fenders, and metal details, made with silver mirror coating technology, show how seriously Kawasaki takes the quality and retro character of Meguro. Behind its classic appearance, the Meguro K3 is equipped with a 773 cubic centimeters air-cooled vertical twin engine with a bevel gear crankshaft, a distinctive mechanism that highlights the mechanical feel of a bygone era. This engine is an evolution of the W800 base, meets the latest emission standards, but still retains its smooth character and deep engine sound. As a Kawasaki Care model, the Meguro K3 offers maximum comfort with ABS heated grips, a center stand, an ETC 2.0 unit, and a built-in helmet lock. Additionally, Kawasaki provides a free inspection for the first month and free routine maintenance and oil changes for 3 years, making it not just a classic-style motorcycle, but a complete package for premium motorcycle enthusiasts. Since its debut in 2021, the Meguro K3 has become a symbol of continuity between the past and the present. Its design has remained largely unchanged, as that is precisely where its charm lies, staying authentic, staying Meguro. The contrast between the deep black color and chrome finish is a distinctive feature that makes it stand out without being flashy. Every detail, from the Meguro logo on the speedometer panel to the red accents on the bevel gear cover, conveys a message. This is not just a motorcycle, but a living legacy of Japanese motorcycle history.